to transport a vehicle? Infinite speed. Auto transport will help quickly, safely, and easily in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Book an order. Get an instant quote and book your order through our online calculator, or contact us via phone or live chat. We then assign one of 40,000 vetted and insured truckers for your protection and inform you about the pickup date. Our experienced advisors are always here to answer your questions. Step 2. Vehicle pickup. You'll be contacted prior to pickup. The driver arrives at the arranged location and completes a detailed inspection. Release your vehicle from home or work and stay updated about its location with the help of our advisors via phone, email, or text. Step 3. Vehicle delivery. You'll be contacted before arrival. Another detailed inspection is completed. And that's it. Your vehicle is safely delivered. With Infinite Speed Auto Transport, you'll have 0 upfront payment, full insurance coverage, live customer support, and door-to-door delivery. With over 5 years in business and a 4.8-star customer rating, the choice is clear. Trust your vehicle with the industry leader. You'll be glad you did.